Hello, I'm wbz-tv meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I have your forecast for the rest of this day and for the next several days. And it looks like we're in for changeable conditions over the next several days, as we've had a lot of changes all through this winter. But the real big change is out west, where they've got another chunk of frigid air dropping down into Minneapolis. As of 9 o'clock recording time this morning, the wind chill temperature in Minneapolis was 19 below zero. It was 33 below zero to the north in Duluth. Bismarck was minus 26. So this cold air is dropping into the central plains. We're not going to have anything cold like that, that is for sure, but we'll have some colder weather coming up later this week. So it looks like it may get back up to 6 degrees, 4 to 6 degrees above zero by the time they get to the Super Bowl late this afternoon in Minneapolis. The low temperature this morning, 6 below zero there. And Boston's temperatures at 9 o'clock is about mid-30s, destined to go into the middle 40s today. And there's a lot of warm and humid air coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to feed our next storm system. We'll see that shortly. But we just want to go up here into Canada and look at the extreme chill that exists across Canada. It's just ongoing. It's been there seemingly all winter long, no breaks. There's been a couple of brief breaks out western Canada. Our friends up at Baker Lake this morning, 36 below zero at 9 o'clock this morning, Eastern Time. In Boston, though, it'll be 44 above zero mid to late afternoon, and through the evening it'll stay in the 40s. And across the rest of the nation, warm in Florida today, 80 degrees, warm and humid in Orlando, ranging down to the single numbers almost just slightly above zero around Minneapolis. But here's the storm right in here. It's feeding on this warm, humid air, so it's going to start moving northeastward and come up the eastern seaboard. On the western flank of the storm, there'll be a belt of snow, especially most pronounced in Pennsylvania and the mountains of Maryland up into New York State, as the storm center will be moving in that direction. Will there be any snow in Boston? I don't think so, although there could be isolated flakes in a few spots in eastern Massachusetts this morning. There will be no snow in Boston. The season so far, 27 inches, 27.1. Worcester's had 36.5, just about average or slightly above average. But no snow falling here, but northwestern Worcester County, before the rain becomes established later this afternoon, there could be a dusting or a coating up to an inch in this white zone here, and then it builds up as you go off to the north and west to 3 to 6 inches across Vermont and northern New Hampshire. Those are the areas that get snow out of this. The rest of the region getting rain, and amounting to, is at this point, looks like 3/4 of an inch farther northwest to as much as 1.5 inches or more over parts of southeastern Massachusetts by the time it ends around 2:33, 3:30 o'clock tomorrow morning. So 2:30 or 3 o'clock this afternoon, there'll be some scattered rain showers breaking out, and the snow showers will come to an end and turn over to rain showers farther northwest, where there could be a touch of snow, as mentioned. And pouring rain much of the time, all the time during the Super Bowl coming up for tonight, and lasting beyond that to beyond midnight to about 2 or 3 in the morning. Then it moves offshore. We get clearing coming in after that, so around 7 o'clock in the morning we'll have bright sunshine. There may be a few lingering residual patches of clouds behind you that will come through during the morning, and then those will clear away as well. The temperature will not go down enough to freeze up all the roads in eastern Massachusetts, but there could be some icy patches as you head into central Massachusetts tomorrow morning, something to be aware of. Looks like the afternoon will be seeing temperatures close to 40 tomorrow, and a gusty wind of 15 to 35 miles an hour. It clears out, be totally clear tomorrow night as it falls down in the upper teens to near 20 degrees or so, 20 to 22. And then much of Tuesday is going to be rather cloudy. There could be a couple of scattered snow showers around. So there goes the storm tomorrow. Here's a few scattered snow showers, which may affect a few communities, but that system is going to be weakening on Tuesday. The follow-up system will be a much more important system, and it will be out in the Ohio Valley heading northeastward. We'll get a few hours of snow before it turns warm enough to change to rain. Change to rain quickly on the south coast, so there won't be much snow. The warm air does come up and turn it over to rain late in the afternoon from south to north. So the potential snowfall, at least this is the preliminary potential at this point, calling for a coating to an inch down here in extreme southern New England, hardly any on Cape Cod, mostly rain there, maybe a little mixed snow at the beginning. A few inches in this belt here, which includes right along the Mass Pike, and then maybe up to several inches extreme northern Massachusetts north before even there it changes over to rain sometime later Wednesday. Of course, it's 3 days away. Any slight shifting of the track and the timing of the warm air coming in would make a difference in the forecast of the snowfall, so that will be fine-tuned in the next couple of days. As you see tomorrow, we get the sunshine, a rather cloudy day Tuesday, not much going on other than an isolated snow shower, and then the precipitation starts Wednesday morning as snow Changes to rain by late afternoon. It's gone by Thursday, sunny and cold Thursday. Could be another batch of light snow late Friday and Friday night. Could be a little bit of snow, maybe a couple of inches in some spots out of that before it turns milder on Saturday. That is your forecast for now. Have a good Super Bowl Sunday.